Tony, why did you decide to open a restaurant on a golf course at Ponderosa?
Well, we've been coming out here for 20 years, and it's kind of nice to have the food out here. We haven't had food out here for a long time. So it's a great place to come, play golf, hang out. There's a lot of activities to do here, and it's just it's a plus to have another thing you can do out here to eat. It's a lot of fun. It's a great place to come.
What kind of food do you serve, Tony?
Just your basic breakfast. We do the eggs Benedict, and we make our own gravy. We make some of our own breads. We try to keep it fresh as we can. We got a couple unique chicken sandwiches that we do. Just whatever you want, really. We can cater to anything. So, but it's just pretty basic. Fair prices, good portions, quality food.
Welcome to the Ponderosa.
Say hi, Mom.
It's Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Tell us how you like golf.
Happy Mother's Day.
Say Happy Mother's Day at Ponderosa.
Happy Mother's Day at Ponderosa.
Shaka.
Yes.
Coming to Ponderosa for the batting cages and the golf.
Come on, baby. Let's go. Swing. Come a little closer. A little closer that way. Swing. Good job. Oh, good hit. Swing. Whatever you think's going to come to you, swing. Swing a little before it crosses the plate.
Good job, Allie.
It's all right, Al. Swing again. You're doing great.
Okay. Well, yeah, no, I'll call.
So tell me about the ducks.
The ducks, we got baby ducks today.
You got baby ducks today?
We got baby ducks today.
Are they out there?
Yes, they're out there. I've already heard about them.
Where are they at?
They're like brand new.
Nope, she's stuck again.
Fish is stuck.
I say my line was going on.
Hey, I caught him fit.
He's got both of them.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, no.
Oh, that's funny. You guys have to split the fish now.
Good, we
You
don't
both
need it.
caught the same fish.